have a fraction question here, of which we can tackle based on both mass. So we have this one to be this term, this, which is 9 plus this, so this is 11 over 3, multiply by, you still bring this 5 over 6 times 2 over 3, all over 11 over 15 times 3 over 4 times 2 over 27. So before we do any other thing, what we will first of all do here is to check whether there are some cancellation that can be made. So this is the same as 11 over 3 multiplied by 5 over 6 multiplied by 2 over 3, then times, this will be 15 over 11 multiplied by 4 over 3 multiplied by 27 over 2. So because of this one, we inverse all of this one that are from the denominator. So when you check here, this goes with this, and then we have this 2 goes with this 2, then we have 3 here, 1, 3 here will give us 5, so 3 here 1, 3 here will give us 9, and then 3 here will give us 2, 3 here will give us 3, so then you see this 3 will go with this 3. We are finally left with 5 times 5 times 4, sorry, you see 2 here 1, 2 here 2, so multiply by 2. So all here you can observe that we have only this left, so our answer will be 20. So this is how we solve this.